Hey guys, how's it going? How to check stories on Telegram. So Telegram does not have a story feature similar to Instagram or Snapchat. Instead, Telegram focuses on channels, groups, and individual chats. If you're looking for ways to view or manage posts on Telegram, here's how. So basically, right here you're gonna be able to see the already added story feature right here. So you can add a story to see and add your story to your Telegram story, and then basically gonna be able to share, comment, and everything. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We'll definitely see you in the next one.